Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating my spread for the week. I'm super behind on doing this. I've been moving and it's just been a little bit chaotic and haven't had time to really film because my desk was getting moved over. I didn't have an internet set up, so that took a little bit of time. I finally got internet, so that's good. I've been going back and forth to both places. I still have things I need to bring back, but I want to get my spread decorated for this week. This week is going to be a Valentine's themed spread. I have this Year of Planning sticker book from Whimsy Luxe, and there's these really cute Valentine themed stickers that I want to use for this spread. So actually I'm just going to rip this out. I might use boxes, well, because I think I already used these boxes. I don't know why I used these boxes already, but apparently I did. And so I can't use them, like all of them. I can use the blue ones. I'll just pull it out. But yeah, I'll just use these two sheets. And then I have other books I can pull in to fill in for bigger boxes and other boxes that I need. I have a couple of washi rolls from Planything. Oh wait, this isn't the one I wanted. Well, this one's fine. There's a stripe one. I thought these were hearts, but actually maybe these would be cute. I thought I had a heart one. Again, all my stuff is all over the place, so I can only work with what I currently have, which is just this container of washi that I kind of just threw all the washi in. I don't have my actual washi drawers here, so I'm just going to work with those, do a Valentine's theme spread. Don't really have much going on this week aside from just moving. Is this weekend also just busy organizing things and getting things back into place, and yeah, just in order so that way I can function a little bit more clearly throughout the week and get back into my filming schedule and doing all those fun things. So yeah, that's gonna be my spread. I want to share my spread for this current week, or last week actually, since I'm a little bit behind. I have this is how my spread turned out. I ended up going in with mild liners. I've been having fun going in with mild liners, just filling in empty spots wherever I have them, just because that's been a fun, cute touch. But this is my spread for last week, and then I will work on this week's spread. Now, I've been liking sharing my after the pens, just in case you're interested to see how they look after the pen. Oh, and then next week's my mom's birthday next week. So that's exciting. We have some things planned, but I don't want to say them because I think I don't know if my mom watches my videos. I think sometimes she catches a video here and there. She doesn't watch all my videos. I post way too many videos. And then my sister has a channel too. If you didn't know, definitely subscribe to her channel. I think it's linked down in my description. But yeah, so she's got lots to watch when it comes to content. So yeah, I don't know if she watches, so I don't want to say what we're doing, but it's gonna be fun. She doesn't know. It's gonna be a surprise, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so I have these boxes from Mojo Jojo plans. These are new pastel journaling boxes and pastel boxes. Again, since they're right here, I just filmed the flip through of these recently, so since they're right here by my desk, I can just easily use them, and I feel like they'll work with these. I just want to do like a nice easy spread, honestly. So let's just start with washi first. On the bottom, this is a nice pink washi. I love this pink washi. It is from Planything. This is new as well. It's a really nice, pretty pink. Perfect pink. It's currently raining here. It's been raining here since yesterday, but not a lot. It's like just lightly drizzling, I want to say. At least the times that I've been out, it's been just drizzling. But there's like decent puddles and stuff. But thankfully not too wet. But it's been nice because it's nice and gloomy, and definitely nice to have some rain, so that's good. All right, so although it's not fun moving in the rain, that's been the only downside. I was supposed to have my desk moved over last Friday, And then it started, it wasn't even really raining. Again, it was more of a drizzle, but it was enough that I was like, maybe I shouldn't move my desk that day because my coworkers were going to come and move it. Then I was like, no, because I don't want my desk to get wet because that won't be good. And it's going to be in a truck. That's like an open truck. So I was like, let's postpone that. So then my desk got installed Monday. Yeah, Monday my coworkers came and installed it. So far so good. At least the important things are in. And hopefully I can get all the rest of the stuff. I have like little things here and there that I need to pull from the other place. Oh, you know what? These all have lines. You know what? It's going to be a very line kind of spread because all these boxes have lines. Well, I have the other one too I can mix in. All right, I think I want to use, let's see which pink. The pinks aren't exact, but I'm just going to go, I think the darker pink. Darker pink it is. That's what I'm going with, and I don't know where my whiteout is, so I'm just going to cover this up as best as I can. Okay, and then I want to do a double box in the pink. Okay, and then I think I will do, I just want to keep it pink, right? I don't have this color. Oh, it's such a bummer. I wish I had more of these. You know what? Actually, let me look in here. Maybe there's more pink boxes. I have this pink. Oh, these are cute. Definitely check out Whimsy Luxe. Look how adorable these stickers are. And then you have everything you really need for a spread, which is nice. I have this pink. No, it's too peachy pink. Oh, I have this pink. Is that similar? Kinda, but not really. Okay. No, I think I'll just keep it to decisions. Just these pinks, I guess. I'll go with the dark and light pink. That's basically what I'm gonna do. I think it should be fine. I have a lot of things I want to do for this weekend starting Friday, so I want like boxes that I can put lots of to-dos to do for this week. Let's do this with love. I think that's cute. We'll put that there. I'm just gonna start sticking cute stickers down, basically. I like this little envelope. We'll stick in the corner over here. I want something here. Maybe this little record. It says love songs. I like this little coupon. That's cute. Okay. Sounds good. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Moving on to, let's grab one of these. The light color. I'll do another box in a dark pink. Oh, this one's cool. Do this one. This one is for a dashboard, a mini dashboard, but as you can see, I can use them in a vertical, classic vertical spread. Works very nicely. Okay, let's do this perfect match is cute. Let's do the cocoa. And I'm gonna be back planning in this since I really didn't, well, I haven't decorated my planner yet, obviously. Like I said, I'm behind. But my main focus for using my planner this week is this part of the week. This is where I really can get things done. This week has been a little bit, like I said, a little chaotic. Haven't been able to get too much done. I was exhausted after all that moving. It was absolutely ridiculous. I felt bad for everybody that helped me. because it's been so much. It was exhausting. Next time, I'm definitely getting movers. Without question, it's happening. Never doing that ever again. It's hard, especially when you live in a second story and then in an apartment, because you don't have a garage and you can't just like, you know, put everything in the garage or in the driveway and then go from there. You have to like walk it from wherever you're able to park, which is not close by. So it's just been a lot. It's been a lot. And hopefully I won't be moving anytime soon. So we'll see. I don't know. I felt a little uncomfortable here, not gonna lie, because it's different and I don't like change, and I felt weird being here, but now it's starting to feel better, so that's good. I don't feel that way anymore, thankfully, because I was really stressed about that for a bit, especially since I'm by myself. It gets very lonely, and then I'm in a bigger place, and yeah, I just felt lonely, so it was weird. And thankfully this place is set up almost very similar. It's very similar to my previous place. Like when I walk through the door, I have my living area on the right, my kitchen is on the left, my bedroom, all my furniture is exactly in the same position as I walk through the door. Like it's pretty almost spot on the same. And that has really, really helped because it feels like I'm still in my room. It doesn't feel different since all my furniture is in the exact same position. The closet's in the same position. So it's all it feels familiar. So that's really helped me out a lot because I was, I kind of freaked out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I got a little nervous, and thankfully that has subsided. It's not a thing anymore. I'm good. I think it's gonna be fine. It is gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I really wanted to put this, but I feel like I don't have, well, maybe I'll put it. No. I feel like I have too much here. Like there's too much going on here. I wanted blue over here. Well, I could do a heart. I can get some heart with a blue. Okay. And then maybe I'll put this here. I just like that little little box. Let's do this locket. Locket will be cute. Do a locket here. Cute. I want to bring in more washi. Maybe I will bring in this little triangle-y washi because this is cute too. But yeah, I can't wait to have my office set up because this is like huge to have an office space now. Just the difference in having it not in any of my other space is the best thing ever. I'm so happy about that. That's like the one thing where I'm just like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be really, really good. So yeah, it's a good change. It's a good change. It's just, if you're like me, and you don't like change, then you might understand like where I'm coming from. It's not fun. And then the whole process of moving is the worst. So yeah, but it's all good. It's all working out. So that's all that matters, you know? Okay, I want some over here, but I feel weird putting it, like I guess I'll do it here. I've just been liking putting washi around wherever it goes. That's where it's going. I feel like I need, you know what? I think I might bring in the blue. Should I bring in the blue? I feel like maybe I need blue. Yeah, I like the blue. All right, so I will just bring in some of this blue around. Also this size box, because I don't have that size box in the, oh, sorry, got a little distracted. Okay, so yeah, what was I saying? I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying. I got distracted by something. Okay, so let's see. Let's put just more things. Let's just put things. I want bullet points. That looks cute, but I want bullet points. Also, I don't like how this washi is just cut off here, so I think I might redo this part. Okay, let's redo this. I think I'll just do it coming here, will be better. So then it's here and here. I might have to find a sticker book with bullet points or like checklist or something. I feel like I want that on the spread. All right, let's do maybe a lollipop. This side looks empty. So it needs a little bit more something. Maybe a candle. Do a candle. Oops, just dropped something. Oh, my washi. That's good. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some bullet points or something. I need to find a book that has bullet points, and then I should be good when it comes to this spread. Okay, I found a book. Like I said, I have to just grab whatever I have near me since it's not organized. This has bullet points, and hopefully I can find a good color that kind of goes. Oh, this one is not bad. What did that blue? Oh yeah, these are good. These are good pinks. Oh yeah, there's lots of pinks. Okay, so this one will work. Actually, this one maybe. I'll try this one. It'll work nicely. Let's see. Yeah, I think this will be good. All right, cool. So let me put a couple here, and then I have this light pink one, which I can add here. I'll just stick with bullet points and not worry about any checklists. I think that should be fine. Let's stick one here. Let's see, here or actually here. Here, and then I think I want one here. Okay. Not too bad. I'm excited to like back plan. Like I said, I have to back plan. And then mainly this part is what I'm using this week since I've been super busy and I haven't gotten to using my planner. Let's see if there's any quotes. There weren't any quotes in here. Let me look at this book. Are there quotes in here? Has these. They're Valentine's Day. That one, I guess. It's Valentine's Day. This day. I'll write it in. I think I'll just write it in. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, that's gonna be my spread. All right, cute. I was able to use an old sticker book, so that's good. So if you have that book, I don't know if it's still available, but definitely check out Whimsy Luxe. Cute, cute, cute books. This one's volume 2. And then I use Jojo's new books. These always come in handy, as you can see. Always super, super handy. Especially love the pastel ones because it works with all kinds of spreads. And then we have Planning a Life I Love from KellofaPlan, which had the bullet points in them. Okay, so let me put this back in my planner. Get this ready to go. And then I'm going to use my liners and different things in here like I've been doing. That's been fun to do. But it's a pretty simple spread, so that's good. Put this here. Okay, so that's my spread for the week. It looks pretty good. Super pretty. All right, that is going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.